In this video, we are going to discuss about what is atomic number and what is mass number. In your lower classes, you are studied about the atom, atomic structure. For example, the center part is the nucleus part. So this is the first orbit, this is the second orbit, and this one is the third orbit. If we consider sodium is the atom, the atomic number is 11. So its a atomic number is 11. That means the electronic distribution is 2, 8, 1. That means first orbit 2 electron, second orbit 8 electron, next orbit 1 electron. So what is meant by atomic number? So number of electron and number of protons in the atom is called as an atomic number. For example, if we take sodium atomic number 11, it contains 11 electron and 11 proton. Always remember that proton and electrons are always equal. If you have 11 electron, you must contain only 11 proton. For example, carbon atomic number 6, if we have a atomic number 6, it must contain 6 electron. It contains 6 electron and it must containing 6 proton. Okay, there will be a difference in the neutron but not in the electron and proton. This is called as an atomic number. Electrons இதை சுத்திட்டு இருக்கும், proton இங்க இருக்கும். இதுதான் இது basic definition for the atomic number. Next, atomic mass. What is atomic mass? So the symbol for the atomic mass is A. It is a sum of the proton and neutron. Sum of the protons and neutrons present in the both the things are present in the nucleus. Both the things are present in the nucleus. This is a nucleus part. Here already I told you proton is present. Here the same thing, neutron also there. Combination of these two is called as a mass number. Combination of these two is nothing but the mass number. If again we consider the sodium atomic number is 11, mass number is 23. If we have the 11 atomic number, it contains 11 electron and 11 proton and 12 neutron will be there. So combination of these two, proton is 11, neutron is 12, it is a 23. So this is the mass number.